work, hard work, hard work, hard work, hard work, work. There you go. Hard work, work. Everybody doing it right. Hard work, work, work. That's what I say.
Hey everybody, it's Army Princess here and welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna bring you all along with us as we set up this workspace here. This is going to be the new Army Princess Collection shop, aka the basement. It is literally like 10 o'clock on a Tuesday night, but we got a lot of the supplies in. I already did my unboxing video, but I want to set it up. I want to get this thing up and rolling and starting so we can start cranking this stuff out for y'all. So if you have been under a rock and you do not know, you need to go visit the Army Princess Collection on Instagram. It's going to give you all of the information you need to know what's going on. But basically, I started my own business. I'm doing my stationery line and lip gloss, and I want y'all to be a part of it every step of the way. So I'm gonna bring y'all with us as we set up the whole basement and get everything ready, because we have like a little bit less than a month until we launch. No, a little bit more than a month. A little bit more than a month until we launch the Army Princess website for you all, and I want to get everything set up. So I'm excited. We got all the stuff in. I want to get to working. Okay, I know I bust into the video, but I just wanted to let you all know that this video is part of my entrepreneur series, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a video in the series. Now back to the video. Printer go. I hope this printer come through for us.
I'll pull it out.
All the directions on how to take it out.
So the ink doesn't leak.
This is official ink. Is it ink?
Yeah. So instead of having like ink cartridge, you get like straight ink. It's like it's called an ink tank.
Yeah, that's the official color.
Yeah. This ain't no game.
Laminator, the Cricut cutter, coils.
Is that a Cricut cutter?
Oh, not the Cricut, the cinch cutter, the paper cutter, and new printer. Got a whole little sweatshop going on down here. All right, y'all, so this is a few days later after we kind of got everything set up and organized. I have my cutter board here. We have stuff that we've been working on. Our whole shelving area with everything labeled. As you can see, it's nice and neat and labeled for all of my stationery items. So I'm going to walk you all through this area just so you can see how we set everything up. I don't have any of my lip gloss things down here because I keep all the lip gloss stuff upstairs because that's where I make it at. But once I actually make the lip glosses, I'm going to get more storage space down here to actually store the lip glosses. So when we do our shipping, we have a whole shipping layout section. Alright, so cutting board here. This is my cinch machine where I punch the holes. This is where we started laying out some of the cards for the basic training starter kit. Make sure you go check the website if you want these cards. They are for when you actually go to basic training to write home to friends and family. And this is just other paper stuff we've been working on. And then we have this whole shelving thing here. So I have everything organized, chipboard, paper, cardstock, just everything organized up here. And then up here we have our bubble mailers. So that's pretty much it. We put this background up just for like when we record and stuff. Label papers, y'all, we got so much stuff here, but wanted to just kind of show you all the progress we made, our little basement workshop area, warehouse. And we are going to get this thing rolling. Just wanted to show you all the end result of the work that we did, and I hope you all enjoyed it.
Hard work, hard work, hard work, hard work, hard work, hard work.